Hello.
Hi.
Can I see your license, please?
Yes.
The reason why I'm stopping you, you were speeding a little bit, ma'am.
Sorry, I was in a hurry to get home.
Okay, what's going on?
No, I'm just tired.
Okay, no special emergency or anything like that, right?
No.
Okay. How do you pronounce your last name?
Louis.
Louis? Okay. Could I, whose car is this?
Mine.
Can I see your insurance, please? So where are you coming from?
I was from just friend's house.
Coming from a friend's house? Is this your current address? Roundup place?
Yeah.
Where is that at?
Albuquerque.
Oh, Albuquerque. Oh, so you're headed to Albuquerque right now?
No, I'm staying in Santa Fe.
Oh, you're staying here in Santa Fe? Okay.
I'm sorry, I don't think I have it.
Okay. All right. Ms. Lewis, let me ask you something else. I smelled something similar to alcoholic beverages. How much did you drink tonight?
I had like 2 glasses of beers.
2 glasses of beer? How
Yeah.
long ago?
Halftime party.
Okay. Okay.
6-ish, maybe?
So all together throughout the day, how many drinks did you have all together today?
2-ish.
2-ish?
Yeah.
Meaning could be 2, could be 3?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of drinks were you having?
Tito soda.
What is it?
Tito soda. Vodka soda.
Vodka and soda?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me look at your eyes, ma'am. Your eyes look a little bit watery, like glassy. Okay.
So, like, I haven't had much sleep because I'm not trying to, like, say anything, but, like, I'm a legislator, so we haven't had much sleep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
So these are my plates, even though they're not in my car.
Okay. All right, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
We haven't had a lot of
So
sleep.
to me, you're just another citizen,
Like,
another driver
totally,
on the road.
Totally cool. Yeah. I just haven't had a lot of sleep.
Okay. I understand that. So this is what I'd like to do. I'd like to make sure you're safe to drive.
Okay.
I would like to administer some sobriety test.
Okay.
If at the end of my evaluation I think you're okay to drive, you'll be on your way home.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Just give me 1 second, please.
Right. Also, probably my registration is like.
Do you have the registration for the car?
No.
You don't have it?
Expired.
Okay, I'm going to have to run the plate.
Sorry, I might have dropped it.
Okay, no problem. We'll get back to that.
Okay.
Do you have like a jacket or something?
It's in my
You
car.
only have that blouse, and it's a little windy out here.
I always do this where I drop my car.
I'm sorry?
I always do this where I drop my phone. Okay.
Okay, go ahead and close your door. We're here in the middle of the roadway, so come over here in between the 2 cars where it's a bit safer. Okay, all right, come over here, ma'am. All right, so let me explain to you the reason for the stop so you understand, okay?
I was speeding.
Yes, you were speeding. You were doing 60 on St. Francis. The limit is 45. Good health?
Yes.
Okay. You don't have any problems walking in a straight line or balancing on 1 foot. Okay? Very well. Okay, one more time. We're going to start. Look at the tip of my pen.
Okay.
Look at it constantly and don't move your head.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn.
Turn.
Right?
Proper turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, mistletoe to toe, step number 9.
Very cold.
Okay,
Very
come over
cold.
here. Come over here. Hands out of
you
your
keep
hands,
telling me
hands
to
out of
do
your
it,
pockets.
and then you keep telling me to stop.
Okay, hands out of
I'm
your pockets. please.
freezing.
Yes,
I
yes,
am
yes.
freezing.
This is going to last only a few
I'm
seconds.
freezing. Look at my legs.
Okay.
My legs are
Yes,
like
ma'am.
so shivering.
Can you please take your hands off your pockets? Okay, go ahead and start.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Down. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay. 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009.
Okay, place the foot down.
I have to
Keep going,
like,
man.
get warm.
Keep going. Keep going.
1010, 1011, 1012,
Swing.
1013, 1014, 1014, 15, 16,
Hands.
17, 18, 19. I don't.
Decision I make.
Okay.
I already reached the conclusion.
Okay.
Would you give me a sample of your breath on a small machine that I have in my car?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. Very well, ma'am. So I'm placing you under arrest for DUI. Okay. Properly capped. Miss Lewis, can you turn around, please?
Yes.
All right. Let me ask you a couple of things. I need to make sure that you don't have anything inside your mouth. Can you please open your mouth? Do you have anything inside your mouth that
No.
doesn't belong in there? Okay, very well. Can you call my 20-minute dep, please? Ms. Lewis, I'm going to read you something very important, okay? I tell you what, come over to the car and we'll read it while you're sitting inside the car so it's
we get inside the car?
a little warmer. Yes.
Do you have anything in your pockets I need to know about?
No.
Needles, knives, anything like that?
Nothing.
Okay. And I didn't see any pockets on the pants. Wow.
Anything in your bra?
Nope.
Okay. So pay attention because I'm going to need to do something very important. Sorry?
Do you want my carpets?
Yes. We'll take care of your thing. I'll explain that. We'll get back to that.